Station C at the fantasy picnic. Why are we so scared of booze? Come on, Peach Toadstool. I can't help you anymore. This is a fantasy. Ouch! A fantasy picnic. I mean. Look, Mario. I'm too scared. Come on. I'll just shove you in there. Come on. How about we? Wait. What's over there? Huh? Well, I don't know. How about we just check? I smell something good as well. Ooh. Let's see the list. Never to be comped. Ooh, ha ha ha. Whoa, ha 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 ha. Oh yeah. A couple of days later. Alright. Hey! Where'd my lunchbox go? I left it right there. And now it's gone. It disappeared. What's the matter, Mario? I don't know. I forgot my lunchbox, but it's left right there. When I put it there, it disappeared. And then it flew. It looks like a boo. Now don't be naughty. Wake up. Ow! What's the matter with you, Toadstool? You can't be hitting like that. It's all your fault because you disappeared your lunchbox. For a second I thought, hey, is that a monster? You know. Oh no, it's a boo. This is scary. I don't want to go there. That tunnel. I need to go there to Station C. I have my ticket there. I just left it in. Oh, oh my god, I don't have my job. Never, never, never.